Welcome. Loving kindness encourages awareness of your ability to care for ourselves and others. We practice extending our benevolent thoughts as well as acknowledging our own humanity and how that humanity connects us all. This practice will allow us to cultivate a deeper appreciation of ourselves and the world around us by attending to feelings of universal acceptance. So go ahead and find a nice and comfortable position. Gently straighten your back. Rest your hands in your lap. And once you have settled in, gently close your eyes. And now, shift your attention to your breath. Focus your mind on the rising and falling of your breath. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable pace of breathing, allowing any distractions to float away. And now, begin to deepen your breath. So extend your inhales and extend your exhales. Breathing in a little deeper and breathing out a little slower. Breathing in deeper and breathing out slowly. And if any distracting thoughts arise, simply acknowledge that your mind has strayed and gently return your attention back to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Now, allow the breath to settle back to its natural, soothing rhythm. Let it be soft and easy. There is no need to control the breath in any way. Allow your breath to guide you into a place of total inner stillness. And as it does, consciously set an intention for this practice to open your heart and to cultivate loving kindness. For with a loving heart, we are more compassionate, understanding, and brave. By directing caring and compassionate feelings towards oneself and others, we begin to develop a state of unconditional kindness, as well as an appreciation of our oneness with others. We recognize that all beings, including ourselves, have a natural desire for happiness and peace. And now, we will begin by extending some loving kindness to ourselves. Repeating the following phrases out loud to yourself or in your mind. May I be safe. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful and at ease. Notice the feelings and sensations that arise. And it may feel difficult to offer loving kindness to yourself. You may experience thoughts that are not loving or kind. And if this happens, just acknowledge these thoughts from a distance, be patient with yourself, and allow whatever arises to be received from a place of curiosity and acceptance. So continue to offer yourself these phrases of loving kindness. And if this is a challenging experience for you, it may be helpful to imagine yourself in a happy moment, or imagine yourself as a child, extending loving kindness to that mental image of yourself experiencing joy. May I be safe. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful and at ease. Now, bring to mind someone who has helped you or been kind to you. So maybe a family member, a good friend, an inspirational figure, or a teacher. And bring that person to mind. Imagine them standing before you and smiling. And extend some loving kindness to that person, wishing them well. May you be safe. May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful and at ease. You may experience a smile spreading across your face thinking of these people you care for and that care for you. You may experience warmth in your body. Whatever it is, allow it to be felt. Reflect on their positive qualities or the acts of kindness they have done. And just notice how it feels like to be extending your love and gratitude for these people, for being a part of your journey through life. Now, as the feelings for your loved ones flow easily, bring to mind someone who you don't know very well. So maybe a neighbor, a postman, or a shopkeeper. And extend some loving kindness to this person, wishing them well. May you be safe. May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful and at ease. Notice any feelings or sensations that arise. Feel your connection to a neutral person in your life and how it feels to wish them loving kindness. And now, bring to mind someone in your life whom you find difficult. So someone who brings up feelings of irritation or slight annoyance. Maybe it's a person who's caused you pain. And as you keep this person in your mind, without any judgment, set an intention to soften your heart here just a little more. And although this may be difficult, try your best to extend your loving kindness to this person, acknowledging how they, just like you, wish to be peaceful and well. May you be safe. May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful and at ease. After you have sent loving kindness to yourself and the people in your life, you may now extend it to others with whom you are not acquainted. So send your loving wishes to all beings on this planet. May they be safe. May they be well. May they be happy. May they be peaceful and at ease. Take a few deep breaths here, appreciating the loving feelings that you have cultivated in this practice. And even if you experience some challenging moments, knowing that this practice has the potential to increase your sense of connection and belonging. The practice of loving kindness can be incorporated into your everyday life. And as we go through each day, we can find moments in which we can mindfully and thoughtfully contribute, even in small ways, to the well-being and ease of ourselves and others. And we can do this by adopting a friendly attitude and having openness towards everyone we encounter, without any judgment. And as this practice comes to an end, slowly begin to come back to your body and your surroundings. Notice how you feel. Notice the contact points between your body and the surface you are sitting on. Notice any sounds around you. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Shrug your shoulders gently. And when you are ready, open your eyes.